Hi, I'm Casey with the OSU Museum of Art, and today we're making a kaleidoscope. The materials that come in your bag are some reflective paper, a paper straw, a marker, a tempera paint stick, a paper roll, some decorative paper, a round circle, and some washi tape. We'll use these materials to make our kaleidoscope. Let's get started. We'll start by adding the reflective paper to the inside of the roll. To do this, stand your roll up and place 2 sheets of the reflective paper inside the roll so that they face each other. While you hold those, you're going to place your third piece into the roll to form a triangle with the reflective pieces facing inward. If your reflective paper is a little too long, you can fold it back and tuck it into your roll, or you can trim it off with a pair of scissors. Next, it's time to decorate the roll. You can do this by either painting the roll with your tempera stick or by wrapping your roll in the decorative paper. I'm going to use my decorative paper. I really like these sunflowers. You can use strips of washi tape to secure the paper. Next, we'll decorate the paper disc. The disc will go at the end of your kaleidoscope. You'll be able to see the shapes on the inside reflected on the mirrors of your kaleidoscope. I'm going to draw clouds and rain on mine. You can draw whatever you like. However, for the best results, use a variety of lines or colors or shapes. A tempera stick is a little bit like a mix between paint and crayons. You don't need a paintbrush or water to use this paint, but it goes onto your paper and behaves more like paint. So I'm going to brush it into my clouds on top of the marker I've already done, just for some extra fun. I can use a paper towel to kind of blend it in if I want. You can use any materials you have at home to decorate your disc. Be careful though, sometimes tempera paint can be a little bit messy. Now that your disc is decorated, it's time to assemble your kaleidoscope. Using long pieces of washi tape, stand your straw up next to your tube and wrap the tape around to secure your straw to your tube. We'll do one more strip on the bottom. Your straw should be secure and not wiggling. Also, you want one edge to be nice and flush, so when you put it to your eye, you don't hurt yourself. Finally, we'll attach our paper disc to our kaleidoscope. Slide this over the straw and down towards your paper roll. And now you have your kaleidoscope. Let's see if it works. I place it to my eye and spin the disc. And there you have it, your very own kaleidoscope. We hope you enjoyed this project and you'll join us for many more this year, right here at the OSU Museum of Art.